I made short film in the year 2024 and it became one of the standout video that I ever shot. Beyond my expectation. For now, I discovered there is only one thing that made this video become what it is, and that's what we are here to talk about. Let me tell you, it's not about the lighting, it's not about the flashy editing, it's not about the location, it's not about the expensive gear that I use. Though I didn't even use expensive gear, I just shot this video with my iPhone. But today I want to share the top tip that I used that made this video become what it is. So stay tuned as we dive in. If you are just meeting me for the first time, my name is Prince Daniel and I'm the creative PR. Before going to set, I always name my angles, the camera angles that I'm going to be using in the particular video. So it's very, very important that you do that, and ChatGPT can help you do that. When you paste your script, then you craft the prompts. I'll do that in my next video. So when I craft the camera angles name, it makes it more easier for me to know the type of shot I'm going to be getting in a particular scene. So there's one thing that made this video stand out, which is the camera angle. So if you follow me to the end of this video, you are going to see the angles that I used that made this video become what it is. First, we'll have open scene cut. You see, when you want to get open scene cut, most people will go by taking a wide shot or taking a medium shot. But instead of using that, I want you to use this a medium pullback shot. Do you understand? So let's say you have about 5 characters in your scene or about 3 characters in your scene. Focus the camera on one person, then pull back and show the other people and the environment. That is going to make the person watching to feel the ambience of the environment. You see the way I pull back like this, then I show other people and the environment and what is happening there. But at the beginning, I really focus on the coconut seller and then pull back. That is one of the amazing shots that I learned. So now we'll go to second shot, okay? So there's something that I want to happen here. Do you understand? There's something that I want to happen here, which we're going to get medium detail shot, okay? Detail shot makes your video stand out because detail shot shows exactly what is happening. So let's watch this closely. Now she put her hand at the back to take the phone. So we'll have to take the detail shot of where she's pulling out the phone from the pocket, okay? We'll go back again. You notice it? So that is second shot. We'll go to third shot, okay? You see, when something is happening or someone is holding something or looking confused, there's one shot that made that scene become very interesting to watch. When you capture either close-up or over the shoulder close-up, okay, then you draw it in 180 degrees. So let's watch how I did this. I'm going to get another shot, which is zooming. You have to pull the camera closer to the person. You have to pull the camera closer to the actor. Pull it in his face. I'll go to lower cut. Low cut is when you put the camera down, then you face it up. No, the camera is down, then you face it up like this to capture the character. I don't have a drone. What I have to use here is my creativity that will speak for me. So I have to get this bird view shot. So what I have to do is to use the wide angle in my iPhone. It's built in an iPhone. Then you climb back somewhere or you climb somewhere up. Then you focus it to be like drone. So let's watch this. Believe me, this is amazing, honestly. Now we are going to another cut. I call it suspense match cut. In a situation where the same thing, what's happening, a similar thing that happened in this particular scene is what is going to happen in the next scene. And especially in a something like action movie, you are going to match it to, for the viewer to feel the suspense. So let's watch this closely. Okay, can you see that? I cut from the shoe, then I pull to the another person's shoe. Then you see, I'm not showing anybody face now. I'm just capturing shoe. You know, as a viewer, you will be thinking like, what's going to happen here? What's really going to happen here? Was you can be predicting, you are in suspense. So here I'm going to get another thing that I call dramatic cut. This is where I go with the dramatic cut. You capture from the front, you capture from the back, you match it together, it will go. This is what I call cut away shot. Here there is fire here. There is the fire burning there. Then after what happened in this scene, then I have to cut the fire. I have to take a shot of the fire. I will position my camera in one particular place or in one particular object. The actor will just walk in. Slide shot. This slide shot, you don't really need the slider to take it. You can actually take it by yourself with your. I shot every video here you are seeing here with handheld and with my iPhone. So first, you have to position the camera if you want to take down slide shot. If you want to slide up, then you have to put the camera down. Then you take it slowly. While the actor is already in action, you take it slowly and slide up. Then the same thing here, if you want to take it from up, while the actor is already in action, then you put the camera at the up and slide down. Then this is another one. So if you want to you put the camera somewhere and pan to the, left or right. POV shot. So this is in a situation whereby someone is standing behind object or behind a place. Then you have to find somewhere hide in that and take the person far, something like this. You can see I'm not clearly focusing on the character. I'm focusing on what is surrounding. Okay. So this is pullback shot. So in this one, you have to face the camera to the character. As the character approaches, then you pull back. You keep pulling back. It will be like the character is going after the camera. It can be wide shot, it can be medium shot, it can be close-up shot. So this one, I name it crane type shot. Okay. You see, I don't have crane, I don't have drone. So all I have to do is to use my creative idea in achieving something. So I have to stand on top of something and face the camera down as if the camera is by up. As if the camera is up. So I have to face it down as the character is acting. It will be like I'm actually using a crane, but I did it with handheld. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment on the comment section. Let me know what you think. See you next time. Stay creative, stay winning, and stay consistent.